ALLPAR Garage, guys. That's right, ALLPAR Garage. Y'all heard of ALLPAR Garage. If you haven't, go and check them out. www.allpargarage.com. They also have a social media presence, guys. So I'm headed over here to discuss some business with the owner. I happen to know the owners, guys. That's right. One Mr. Jimmy Vaughn and Mr. Carlos Lopez. Yes, I had the privilege and honor to work with these guys for at least a good 5-8 years, maybe. Yes, we all worked in the same shop at one point, and we remained close friends throughout our careers, which happens to be related in the automotive service industry, except for one thing. They are now in the automotive high performance industry. Okay, a little bit more advanced than what I'm accustomed to, guys, but I am almost here. All right, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's down this road. All right, I see a lot of Scat packs, Chargers, Challengers, Mopar stuff, guys. Look at that. These are Mopar high performance shop owner. Look at that beauty right there. Whoa, guys, I seen this one at the car show, guys. Yes, this guy was at the car show. Caffeine and Octane. I remember because I spoke with him. This is a small world, ladies and gentlemen. Did not know he was tied in with one Mr. Jimmy Vaughn at ALLPAR Garage. Look at the Mopar. Look at the high performance stuff out here, guys. These guys are making cars run faster, harder, and stronger. Okay? Typically, every now and then, I come in here and try to get some information. You know, try to pick their brain, find out their secrets, and go from there, guys. Because y'all know I have to get into the Mopar circle. Look at these babies. All right, so I can't do it with my current situation. So I will be getting
Yeah.
Man, what's going on here? Holy crap. Oh, yeah.
It's a race car.
Is it really? Ah. Yo, check this out. Holy smoly. Y'all see what I'm in? Let me see something right quick. All right, guys. Can't use battery. Guys, check this out. It's your boy, JT, man. I don't know what I'm in, but I am at ALLPAR Garage. They got me, I thought I was about to head to the track, guys. This is the race car edition. Y'all see that? I'm inside of a cage. A cage car, y'all. Look. Mopar, baby. That's what it's all about, man. Hey, that's what we do here, man. Y'all see that shirt? Y'all see what that say? That's right, man. I'm in a cage of a race car. Okay, now, because there's no engine in there, it would be hard for me to drive this, okay? It would be hard for me to go to the track at this very moment. They are at the moment working on the engine, okay? I don't know what happened. I have no idea, but I'm sure they will find out and they will fix it. That's probably why it's here, okay? Trying to get repaired so it can get back on the track. Now, I assume this car live on the track. If you look around, guys, this is not your everyday typical car. No, it's not. Take a look, okay? This is not one of those cars you want to run to Quick Trip. All right, Kroger's. You do not want to go get groceries or anything like that, guys. So, it's not one of those type cars. All right, guys, ALLPAR Garage. Hold on, man. You got to explain to me what we're doing under that hood. Hey, under this hood. I need some info under this hood. What's going on in this hood?
I mean, it's a 426. It's still a Hemi.
Still, at the end of the day, it's still your typical Hemi.
But it's born and stroked to a 426. It's got billet, aluminum cylinder heads.
Oh, no MDS.
Well, the Hellcats already don't come with MDS.
Somebody asked me that the other day. I had no freaking idea how to answer that.
Yeah, the Hellcats already know MDS.
Actually, he asked me, do the Hellcats tick? So I was like,
who asked
that?
that?
A guy in one of my
Do
comments.
The Hellcats tick? If the lifters fail, yes, they'll tick, but they don't have the typical Hemi tick that they like to call it.
So that's likely where he was going with the question. Then he maybe was going to get one, but he wasn't. I stopped really putting out a lot of those because it was making the brand look bad.
Oh,
yeah, guys was, I ain't never buying another freaking. So I stopped. No more 3.6 videos for me. No more Pentastar, none of that. I started to take some of them down because people starting to say
they all have the problems.
it doesn't matter. People quick to say on my freaking videos, I never buy another Chrysler. I'm like, whoa, that's not my intention. I'm not trying to convince you not to buy a Chrysler. I work at a dealership. We solely dependent on sales of this car. So no, and then you know how I explain it? Guys, the Generation 3 Pentastar engine is a whole lot better. We're having no sir, or no one at all. I have yet to go in one.
The one with all the EGR.
I have yet to go in one. That engine came out in the 16 Grand Cherokee and the Durango and the 17 minivan. Well, it's 3 years later.
Was it the 17 minivan?
17 Pacifica, not the minivan. The minivan went on for 2020.
I've been out of it so long.
That's what the regular van went on to 2020. We still.
I've never touched one. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, Pacifica? Or
I've never touched one of those EGR.
that's what I'm saying. So that's my defense when they say that. Look, guys, if you get anything old, you're gonna have risk. There's gonna be risk and problems. So don't come crying about I'll never buy another Dodge. I hate when they do that stuff, man. So it make it look like it seemed like I convinced them not to buy one because of something they seen from me.
They were head to head. They were in the final.
In the final? Yeah. Look, I laughed at. He see that, don't he?